like TRV effects, transient recovery voltage. This transient recovery voltage means voltage developed across contacts of the circuit breaker when arc get extinguished. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे परत जे नॉर्मल व्होल्टेज किंवा जे व्होल्टेज डेव्हलप होईल दॅट इज सो इफेक्ट ऑन transient recovery voltage. Number 1, effect of natural frequency on TRV. So rate of rise of restriking voltage RRV, नाही का. जी फ्रिक्वेन्सी जर वाढली F increases if frequency increases, rate of rise of restriking voltage increases. लक्षात येते का. सो हायर फ्रिक्वेन्सी हायर RRV म्हणजे रेट ऑफ राइज ऑफ रिस्ट्रायकिंग व्होल्टेज. ही रेस आहे. इथे मी परत तुम्हाला सांगतो, हे रिस्ट्रायकिंग व्होल्टेज आहे आणि हा जो रेट आहे तो रेट ऑफ राइज ऑफ रिस्ट्रायकिंग व्होल्टेज म्हणायचं. एनी टाइमला जे मॅग्निट्यूड वी विल टेक दॅट इज रिस्ट्रायकिंग व्होल्टेज आणि दिस इज रेट ऑफ राइज ऑफ रिस्ट्रायकिंग व्होल्टेज. फ्रिक्वेन्सी वाढली की दी रेट ऑफ राइज ऑफ रिस्ट्रायकिंग व्होल्टेज विल इनक्रीज. इफ रेट ऑफ राइज ऑफ रिस्ट्रायकिंग व्होल्टेज इनक्रीजेस, रेट ऑफ राइज ऑफ डायलेक्ट्रिक स्ट्रेंथ तर तुम्ही ठरवलेला आहे लेस. सो इट मे more than the rate of rise of dielectric strength and it may cause problem in arc extinction. म्हणजे arc may not get extinguished. So breaking capacity of circuit breaker reduces as natural frequency increases. So effect of natural frequency. Another term is that effect of power factor on TRV. Effect of power factor. काय power factor effect? If arc is extinguished at current 0, if arc get extinguished at current 0 or 0 power factor circuit, the peak voltage Emax appears across the circuit breaker and the sudden application of this voltage gives rise to surge TRV. So it will again cause difficulty in arc extinction. Simple thing, simple diagram I can have here in both the cases. This first diagram is associated with effect number 1, effect of TRV on effect of natural frequency on TRV. This is voltage, this is maximum voltage, natural frequency 2 times natural frequency, 4 times natural frequency. What happens? This is tangent, this is time axis. So here you are having the more time to rise of restriking voltage with natural frequency. ही जर फ्रिक्वेन्सी डबल झाली तर टाइम विल रिड्यूस टू मॅक्स व्हॅल्यू. अजून 4 टाइम झाली तर टाइम विल रिड्यूस टू मॅक्स व्हॅल्यू. सो वेन रेट ऑफ राइज ऑफ रिस्ट्रायकिंग रेट ऑफ natural frequency increases, rate of rise of restriking voltage increases, म्हणजे त्याची फ्रिक्वेन्सी वाढेल. सो यू आर हॅव्हिंग व्हेरी लेस टाइम फॉर आर्क एक्सटिंक्शन. इथे कमी टाइम आहे, इथे जास्त आहे, इथे जास्त आहे. लक्षात आलं असेल. दुसरा मॅटर जो आहे तो आहे इफेक्ट ऑफ पॉवर फॅक्टर. तर यू आर हॅव्हिंग दिस इज अ ट्रान्झिएंट रिकव्हरी व्होल्टेज. हे जे पीक दिसतात ते ट्रान्झिएंट आहे आणि दिस इज डॉटेड लाईन जी स्मूथ आहे दॅट इज रिकव्हरी व्होल्टेज. दिस इज आर्किंग करंट and this shaded portion is arc voltage. तर इथे तुम्हाला आर्किंग करंट आणि V arc. Okay, so arc will get extinguished at current 0. हे current 0 positions तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, current 0 position आहे, इथे current 0 position आहे, because of the power factor 0. आता power factor 0 म्हणजे इथे 0 होईल तुमचं, म्हणजे it will get shifted to 90 degree. Current 0 position will get shifted from this position to this position. So cos 90 काय, cos 90 0 na, so power factor will be 0 here, power factor will be 0, so lagging 0 power factor of the circuit, so peak voltage will be max. इथे दिसतंय तुम्हाला peak voltage is E max, okay, across the circuit breaker contacts, and the sudden application of this peak voltage may disturb your arc quenching process. Sir, difficulty will be there in arc extinction. Then you may have the effect of resonance drop. Effect of resonance drop. Resonance drop. Effect of resonance drop on power, frequency and recovery voltage. On power, frequency and recovery voltage RV. This will also, when suppose you are having the voltage, particular voltage at circuit breaker before fault, when fault occurs, current increases, therefore there is a drop in resistance that increases, so voltage appearing across fault, that immediately for a certain duration decreases. So V2 is larger, म्हणजे in next fault voltage is less than V1, therefore recovery voltage is somewhat less than the normal value of the frequency voltage, normal frequency voltage. So that also resonance drop can be effect on arc quenching. Then armature reaction in case of motor. In case of motor, armature reaction, this may also cause effect on arc quenching. When short circuit takes place, when short circuit currents are there at very low lagging power factor, they will produce demagnetizing effect of armature reaction. Therefore EMF decreases under short circuit condition. Therefore EMF required some time to regain the original value, and then power frequency of recovery voltage is less than the normal voltage, normal system voltage. This will also affect on the current interruption. Then you may have another effect of poles in case of motor. Effect of pole. Pole means especially you are having this magnetizing pole in three-phase circuit breaker. You are having this one tripping circuit. You may have single pole circuit, you may have triple pole circuit. You are having the tripping circuit, three-phase circuit, in which you are having the three phases are displaced from each other by 120 degree. Therefore recovery voltage in case of three-phase, where the arc is to be get extinguished, it is 1.5 times to that of phase voltage. Okay, so whenever you are having the three-phase fault, if you are having three-phase circuit, if you are having single-phase circuit, it will also affect on the arc extinction. Three pole and single pole, one pole or three pole circuit, that is also to be considered.